Wrapping your hands properly for boxing is essential for protection and support. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to wrap your hands using 180-inch wraps. Start by unrolling your hand wraps completely and ensure they're free of tangles. Place the loop at the end of the wrap around your thumb. The side that will end up against your skin should generally be facing down. Begin by wrapping around your wrist 2 to 3 times. This provides support and stability. Bring the wrap over the back of your hand toward your pinky. Then loop it around the palm just below the knuckles 2 to 3 times. Ensure it's snug, but not too tight. Go back over the back of your hand and start wrapping through the fingers. Begin with the space between the pinky and ring finger. Then, go across the back of the hand and wrap between the ring finger and middle finger. Finish with the wrap between the middle finger and index finger. Wrap each gap only once. After wrapping between your fingers, wrap around the knuckles multiple times. 3 to 4 wraps for added padding and protection. Wrap around the thumb, securing it by looping around the wrist. This supports and stabilizes the thumb joint. Finish by wrapping around the wrist again, using any remaining wrap to ensure that the wrap is firmly secured. Make sure the wrap is snug, but not overly tight to restrict blood flow. Adjust as necessary for comfort and protection. Remember not to make the wraps too tight, as this can cut off circulation, or too loose, as this won't provide adequate support. Practice makes perfect, so keep working on your technique until you're comfortable wrapping your hands quickly and effectively.